In today's video, I'm going to teach you GoMining Review 2026, scam or legit. Let's take a clear, balanced look at what GoMining is, why some people believe it's legitimate, and what concerns you should keep in mind before putting any money into it. GoMining is a platform that lets users buy what it calls digital miners. These digital miners are designed to represent Bitcoin mining power. So instead of purchasing physical mining hardware and running loud, power-hungry machines at home, users buy mining capacity through the platform and receive Bitcoin rewards based on that miner's performance. One reason people believe GoMining is legit is that many users report successful withdrawals. According to user feedback, some people have received daily mining rewards and have been able to withdraw funds multiple times over long periods. That matters, because one of the first warning signs of a bad platform is when users can deposit easily but struggle to cash out. Another point in its favor is that GoMining claims its digital miners are backed by real mining infrastructure rather than being purely virtual contracts. The platform has also been around for several years, which gives it more credibility than brand new projects that appear overnight and disappear just as quickly. On top of that, some users say the returns look relatively modest, and that actually makes the offer seem more realistic, because true Bitcoin mining usually does not produce extreme or guaranteed profits. That said, there are also important red flags and limitations. Some users say profitability is lower than expected, especially after maintenance fees are deducted. Others mention that holding the platform's token may affect fee levels, which adds another layer of complexity. There are also complaints about customer support, including slow responses, deposit verification delays, anti-money laundering review issues, and poor communication during account disputes. It's also important to remember that cloud mining and tokenized mining are high-risk areas in general. Even if a platform is real, profitability can still decline over time because of Bitcoin halvings, rising mining difficulty, operational fees, and hardware depreciation. Some users report that reaching break-even can take years, especially when all of those factors are considered. The biggest advantages are convenience, beginner-friendly access, no need to manage hardware, a mobile app, daily Bitcoin rewards, and reports of successful withdrawals. The downsides are that profits are not guaranteed, maintenance fees can be significant, mining conditions can change, customer support may be inconsistent, and return on investment may take a very long time. Looking at community discussions, the feedback is mixed. Some users praise the consistent payouts and easy access to mining, while others question the transparency, fee structure, long-term returns, and the tokenized mining model itself. So, final verdict. GoMining does not appear to be a classic scam based on available evidence. However, whether it is a good investment is much less certain. Your results will depend on Bitcoin price, mining difficulty, platform fees, token economics, and how much you invest at the start.